The number one thing I would recommend is always go to the manual. Most reputable manufacturers will have a table of cable sizes because cable sizing isn't always cut and dried, because a 2,000 watt inverter might be able to take a 2-aught cable under a certain length, but if that cable gets longer, then the voltage drop across that cable will affect the performance of the inverter. And so as the cables get longer, the cables really need to be bigger. Follow the manuals. If you need to go outside of what the manual recommends as far as length or something like that, there are voltage drop calculators all over the internet that you can do to say, this is my load, this is my cable size, and this is my cable length. Most inverter manufacturers want you to keep the voltage drop less than 1/4 of a volt. And as long as you can keep it less than 1/4 of a volt at full load, you're good to go.